I'm Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon. And do you ever wish your ponytail looked longer? Here's some tips to help you out with that. First, if your hair is curly and you want your ponytail to look longer, an easy fix, use a smoothing iron. Just take your smoothing iron to your hair, either prior to and smooth your entire head, or you can smooth your ponytail and just run your smoothing iron along the ponytail. If your hair is curly, believe it or not, just smoothing it alone is gonna add easily an extra inch to maybe even 2 inches. If that's not enough and you still need a little bit more length, go to your local beauty supplier, pick up some hair wefts, and you can add hair wefts to your hair. You can get them in a color to match your natural color, or if you don't have colors that match, you can have your hairstylist color the hair to match your hair color for you. You'll just place the wefts into your hair and wrap your own hair around the weft to cover the weft. And there'll be no signs that you've added a weft to your hair. Just doing a little wrap and pinning your hair around the weft. The weft is easily gonna add however much length you purchase it in inches, but another great thing the weft will do, it's gonna add fullness too. So you're gonna get that extra fullness and that added length on how to make your ponytail look longer.